Kuhitukira mwandiki mukaru wa ministry ya thama Professor Julius Bitok augite riu mihango ya kuoya passport iroya thikũ 7 tu, akiuga riu gutire na mutindikano wa gwetha maratathi macio ma thama, kuona thirikari ni ikirire gutigirira ati mutaratara wa gucabithia passport uroya kiumia kimwe. Bitok oho augite ati ministry ino ni yongereire macini cia kiriu iria irathondeka passport 10,000 o muthenya na kuria wira uyu urarutwo tuku na muthenya.
We have been able to acquire 2 new machines. Initially, we had 2 machines that had a capacity of producing 3,000 passports per day. But today, after acquiring 2 additional machines, we are producing, or rather we have a production capacity of 10,000 passports per day. Currently, it takes only 7 days to apply and get your passport processed.
Augite ni kuri na ceceni ingi ciongereirwo cia kungania maratathi maya niguo kuhuthia mihango eno, guku akiuria aria maratathi mao maumite metikire kugira, akiuga kwina passport makiria ma 90,000 itari ciagirwo.
I want to say that as part of the reforms in the immigration department, we have also been able to redesign our processes, have 2 new banking halls, and increase the number of service points, service counters from 14 to 42. Currently, we have 90,000 uncollected passports both in the headquarters and in our immigration offices around the country. I want to call upon fellow Kenyans to collect their passports. We have done 3 adverts in the newspaper so far, but people are not coming. We have sent messages to the 90,000 Kenyans whose passports are in immigration, and they are not coming. I want to take this opportunity to call upon my fellow Kenyans. Fellow Kenyans, let's collect our passports.
Bitok ahinyirire gutire ungumani uratwarithio na mbere mugaru na uria kurerikanaga na hau kabere, akiuga mihango eno iratabanio na ihenya na oho gutire mundu gwitikirio kugirira muratawe marua maya. Ngiribotera Inooro TV, njitagwo Waithira wa Duati.